So once Fed will cut the rates, this market will run massively on the upper side. But again, NVIDIA especially, it will really blow up all the tops what it will have. But before diving into NVIDIA, I just want to show you the entire picture of the market and where the really market is heading and what really the Wells Fargo strategist just said. So he just said Wells Fargo, okay, strategist says investors may face 1995 rerun once Fed cuts the rate. So is that a good or bad for market? It's absolutely good for market, but again, this is not for sure. Again, this is kind of he's guessing. The market might be like this 1995. But let's just go back and see what 1995 really looks like, okay? This is 1995 S&P 500 here, 1995. Again, is here, right here. So 1995, so it was literally sitting on 45 points, S&P 500 1995 in January, and had a massive run in 8 months to 64 points. Well, back then in 1995, this of a movement was absolutely crazy. It was absolute bullishness in the market at those times, probably from now like 20 years. Yeah, just don't want to count, whatever. In 1995 it was absolutely massive. But if this really happens right now, so where the market can go, so let's make the charts absolutely normal first. Oh, loading, hold on. So if the market gets normal, honestly, well, I see it is getting normal. The market will go, of course, beyond 566 points. But how long this market will take in order to really take the top of 566 points? It might not really take a lot, because on September 18th, I think 18th or 8th, we have FOMC meeting, and from there the first rate cut will be introduced. So probably I'm thinking 0.25 basis points. So that can be the projection, what I'm thinking. Okay, if the market favors what I'm thinking on, if what market is really predicting, stock market is predicting 0.50 basis points. So, well, let's see. That will be really massive news for the market. But this year, September, we have in November, we have in December. So we have 3 meetings left this year in this 2024. So in this 2024, 3 meetings left. You can you can really count, even if they go 0.25 or 0.5 basis points or 50 basis points, that will be a little aggressive on the market. So that can make a massive sell-off, or it can really make also a nice run on the bullish side. But again, going a little too aggressive on the market, especially whenever you cut down the rates, that whenever the Fed cut down the rates, the market really flushed down, then made a bullish run. This was all the time in the history, even in the COVID times, of course. COVID times, Fed, when they cut the rate, the market really massively pumped on the upper side. But before that, of course, when the disease came out, it was just flushing down. Just in order to just balance the market, they just cut down the rates. And now, I think so, they might probably go down with 0.25 basis point, because market is not so nasty as you're thinking, because it already recovered a pretty nice amount. So let's go back to NVIDIA here and see what NVIDIA is doing here. So total money in my long term in NVIDIA invested $4.84 million in NVIDIA. So 34,000 positions in NVIDIA, 34,500 shares in NVIDIA, $4 million in NVIDIA. Guys, even you can do this. I'm not just the one that I'm doing this, but again, it takes time, it takes practice, it takes patience in order to build your account bigger. But again, guys, look at this. This is our group. You can come down to the group. You can trade with us, swing trades, long terms, day trades. You have all the notifications every single time in what I'm investing, what I'm not investing, when I'm buying, when I'm selling. I'm planned when to sell. I'm planned when to buy. Exactly. All my members in the group, they know when I'm buying, when I'm selling. Even you can do this. That is for your advantage. You can also do this. But again, look at this. $21,000, $53,000, 17,000, NVIDIA 69,000. So one of my member yesterday, he made like $59,000. So of course, what he does, he takes his money, of course, invest in the investments what I'm making. So smart. Started from small, he's growing. I'm really proud of him. And even you can do this, guys. Honestly, you can do this. So this is how our group exactly looks like. Look at this. NVIDIA, buy at $120, sell at $124. This is just a screenshot I'm trying to show you. It's not like from today, but it shows you exactly how I really give those notifications. You have exactly when to buy, when to sell, and make profit and grow your account. Guys, you're here to make money in the market, not just to buy and sit like asleep like a tortoise. No, grow your money in the market, keep working. Believe me, you will love it. And this is not a scam. It's nothing fake, nothing. You can come, it's legit. You can make money for yourself and you can grow your account. This is what we offer in the group. But again, you might be thinking, what benefit I get? It's nothing. It's just I'm trying to be nice, friendly. I'm telling you, you can make money. It's we are trying to form a nice group community, big community where all the like-minded investors are in the same platform where we discuss the big things. So you can come down, you can discuss with others, and especially when I am notifying every single day what to buy, what to sell, when to buy, when to sell, when to short, when to cover, every single thing you have recovered right there. So even you can, if you have any losses in stocks, you can even recover that. It's not a financial advice, it's only for educational purpose. If you like it, you can do it. If you don't like it, just skip it. Just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That's more than enough. So you might be thinking, okay, why did I keep the group fees? Because I don't want all the garbage to get filled. That's the only reason. It's very clear. So invested $4 million in NVIDIA. So I'm gonna add more and more, but again, NVIDIA is going to $144. Mark my words, it's going to $144 very soon, and can be possible before earnings, very highly possible before earnings. It can really go, but I think so. $129 is right on the way. NVIDIA $129 is on the way. So once it crossed that really $129, believe me, this will be massive. So this time the earnings will really blow up. The earnings will really kick off, and believe me, the market will pump massively on the day when the NVIDIA will release the earnings. So overall, of course, what I'm seeing a bullishness on NVIDIA. It was having kind of like a mixed day, doge candle today, but that really doesn't really says that NVIDIA is going to flush down or a downtrend. Well, it already started the uptrend. I hope so it follows, and tomorrow NVIDIA should touch $122. If not tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, because it can really be kind of choppy here and even go up. But again, before the earnings, I'm thinking $144 should be right there. But $129 is for sure, but the $144 is right on the mark. So even on the earnings, when the NVIDIA will move probably 20 to 25%, that will be massive. That will be honestly massive. And don't miss this chance. Don't miss this, because this is once in a lifetime opportunity. You can grab this and become rich, but depends what kind of money you really want to invest. Again, guys, don't take this wrong. This video is only for educational purpose, right? Because I'm sharing what I'm investing and what I'm not investing. Even you can do this because I do research a lot. I study about the stock, but the company only, then I invest in the stock. You can day trade, you can swing trade, you can go even long term in the group. You can come, you can try, and you will love it. Trust me, you will love it. And less than $30 is nothing. It's like $1 a day. It's nothing if you're really serious about making good amount of money in the stock market. It's nothing. So NVDA, let's see today what happened today to NVDA. I don't know, the charts are like pretty slow, attempting to retrieve data. Okay, here's today's chart. Flush down in the open, and recovered back up and made that kind of consolidation movement. But again, do we see here, or this can be really a downtrend? So here are the mixed signals what we can get really. So if it has to flush down tomorrow, it can go to $116. That okay, that's not really a big deal. If it goes to $110 and bounces back, that's okay. But below $110, that's kind of again bearish. Above $100, it's absolutely bullish still, but start trying to really consolidate. But we have the two scenarios here. Tomorrow can go down or go up, because you see here we have two possible ways if you see on the trend lines here, and that is highly possible tomorrow, that tomorrow can be a nice green day. This is what I am expecting actually. So green day tomorrow. Again, NVIDIA is on my massive investment list. $4 million invested till now in NVIDIA. And if you want to know more and more stocks, what I'm investing, you can join the group. The link is down in the description. There are limited seats. There are not a lot of seats. Even that will be full, and the group will be closed, and no one will be allowed there, because I don't want to make a massive unlimited group. Intelligent people, good amount of people, and that's it. So you can come and try. Believe me, you love it. You can lock your price less than $30 a month, and you will love it, of course. So thank you so much for watching. Probably see you in the next video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and so it encourages me to share more and more of my positions or trades or whatever I'm doing. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. See you next time.